Hey, and welcome to my deodorant update. So I've been using this for a week. I'm filming this outside. Somebody would ride by as soon as I put my camera on, but that's okay. The lighting is better. So I've been using this deodorant for about a week, and this is like 95-degree weather, working on a construction site. I've only had to apply it once in the morning, and of course like after you shower once you get off work. The one thing that I noticed though is it's really hard. Not rock solid, but it's pretty hard. So my thought is I'm gonna keep this one in this container. I'm gonna make the exact same recipe, but I'm gonna put it in a stick, have a stick deodorant. So maybe if I left it in a warmer condition, it would be a lot softer. It would be a Harley, yeah. But I like having this in the tub. I really do, in this container. But I think I might do the stick for like a touch-up if I need it. Haven't needed it yet, which is really cool. But yeah, I just wanted to come, and even though I've used this for a week, this is all I've used. It doesn't take much, and it works like a charm. Like, it's amazing. Do it yourself at home deodorant, like, and it works better than anything I've ever bought, ever bought. So wanted to come give that update. Hopefully you had a chance to try the recipe yourself. If you have any tips or pointers or any other recipes that maybe could be helpful or you would like to see me try or do, let me know. All right, thank you for tuning in.